Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is tenses and uses of verb. So let us understand passage. The number of undergraduate degrees in engineering awarded by colleges and universities in the United States increased by more than twice from 1978 to 1985. So what it was to say? It was to say that the number of degrees increased, right? So by more than twice, incorrect. Increased two times is possible, but by more than twice, incorrect. Why so? Because here, whenever we say more than twice, it means what? Before that, there should be number. So instead of verb, it should be x more than y, and here it will be incorrect. So the word by incorrect with more than. So the correct idiom is x more than y. More than twice, incorrect idiom. Option A out. Option B increased more than twice, two times. Again, increased two times possible, but increased more than two times, incorrect. The number increased more than two times than blah 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 blah. Again, x than y. So what it wants to say? The number increased more than two times. So after that, again more than and increased is incorrect idiom. It could be increased two times, but more than two times, no. So option B out. By the way, in GMAT, we generally prefer shorter is better. So instead of increased twice or two times, we can say more than doubled. So here more than is what? An adverb for doubled. So the number of degrees doubled, right? And more than is modifier for that as an adverb. So C is okay. Option D says was more than doubled. It's been passive form. And passive form means what? It was done by somebody else. But here it is incorrect because the intention of passage is not to talk about passive form. Option E out had more than doubled. Whenever we use had plus past participle verb, the intention of passage should be to talk about action before any action. But here it has only one clause, and that's why had doubled incorrect. So option C is the best option.